Hello kids, this is Neha Miss from Twinkling Kids Preschool. And now we will solve the worksheet page number 50 and 51 of concept workbook. Page number 50 and page number 51. First, we'll read the instructions. Shapes review. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, heart, oval. Cut the shapes along the dotted lines and stick on the butterfly. So we have to cut the shapes along with these dotted lines and stick on the picture of butterfly. So first we'll review all the shapes. Circle. Circle. This is triangle. Triangle. Then a rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Square. Square. Heart shape. Heart shape. Now I will cut it along with the dotted lines. See this. Now these cutouts are ready. Now we will stick them on the picture of butterfly. So for this we need glue. So take the glue and first I will take a rectangular shape. Rectangle. I will apply the glue on the back side and stick it on the rectangle shape. This way. Then I will take another rectangle shape and apply the glue on that, and I will stick it on this rectangular shape. See this one. Now I will take a circle shape. And where is the circle on this picture? Yes, see it is here. So I will stick it here. I will stick the circle shape here. Now I will take another circle shape and I will stick it on the other side. Now we will take a square shape. Apply the glue on the back side and now we'll stick it on this square shape. This way. Now we'll take oval shape. Which shape is this? Oval. So we'll take the oval shape. We'll apply the glue on the back side and then stick it here. This way. Then another oval shape. So take the oval shape, apply the glue and stick it here. See, like this. Now which shape is this? Which has three sides? Yes, it's a triangle. So we will take a triangle shape. Here also we will apply the glue on the back side of the triangle shape. And now we will stick it here. But see this, here is a heart shape. We will stick the heart shape on the blue color. First we will stick a triangle shape of blue color. Now I will take the heart shape. Which was here. So I will stick it here. Now also see this, one triangular shape and one heart shape. So same way we will first stick a triangular shape and then on that we will stick the heart shape. So take the triangle and apply the glue on the back side of the triangle. And now we have to stick it here on the triangle shape. See this way. Now I will take the heart shape and I will stick it on the blue color equal to this. See this, our butterfly is ready with different shapes: circle, rectangle, square, oval, oval, triangle, triangle and heart shapes. Thank you.